Welcome and welcome back to Living Hope Mixed Farm Uganda. Right now we are doing land preparation for planting Irish potatoes. We are here digging through the bush, cutting the soil. We are loosening the soil so that our Irish potatoes are able to grow perfectly. There we have sugar napier and super napier for our goats and our cattle. So here, as we said, we are doing mixed farming. We are loosening the soil, we are cutting the soil, we are doing it ourselves. And as you can see, we are cutting the soil here, loosening the soil. You see, these are some of the stems of super napier, but these ones we are cutting them down. As you can see, we are working on our farm. We are cutting this so that we are able to plant our Irish potatoes. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you are able to follow us up from the beginning as we are doing step-by-step guide practically and doing a research on how best we can produce Irish potatoes locally with our organic manure. We are going to use organic manure in producing Irish potatoes. So every video, please be able to watch and see how we are going to do it. Keep in touch with us. This is our place. As you can see, this is our chicken. This is our chicken coops. The other one is there for the goats. The goats are there. Behind there we have the cows, and then further that side we have passion fruits. So we are really doing mixed farming. We are doing mixed farming. So be with us. The other side we are going to do ground nuts. They are still opening the land. So we shall be posting videos. Keep in touch with us as we continue. Please give your comments, like our videos to encourage other farmers to watch as well. We are still doing our land preparation. So stick with us. Thank you so much. So as you can see, the land is getting ready. After here, we shall open the land. We shall put our Irish potatoes. We shall apply organic manure. And we shall be able to see our Irish potatoes germinate and produce the bulbs that we want. And it is going to be organic. This is going to be organic. So stick with us. Thank you and be blessed.